In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate an image in Canva. Animating images is a simple way to bring your designs to life, whether you're creating social media posts, presentations, or short videos. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the basic process of adding animation to an image using Canva's built-in tools, and I'll also share a few tips to help you get the best results. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account and that you've opened or created a design. This could be anything: a social media graphic, a slideshow slide, or even a thumbnail. Once your design is open, look at the image you want to animate on your canvas. If it's not there yet, upload it from your computer or choose one from Canva's library, then place it where you want it in your design. Now, click directly on the image. You'll know it's selected when you see a border and small handles around it. This step is important because Canva's animation options are applied to whatever element is selected. If nothing is selected, the Animate controls either won't appear or they'll apply to the entire page instead of just the image. With your image selected, look toward the top of the screen for the option labeled Animate. This usually appears in the toolbar above the canvas. Go ahead and click on Animate. Once you do that, a panel will open showing different animation styles and effects that you can apply to your image. Take a moment to hover over each animation option. Canva will show you a quick preview so you can see how your image will move. Some effects make the image fade in, others slide or pop, and some add more dynamic motion. Choose the style that best matches the mood and purpose of your design. For example, a gentle fade might work well for a professional presentation, while a more energetic movement could be great for social media content. After you've selected your animation, play back your design to see how it looks. If you're not satisfied, simply click the image again, open the Animate menu, and try a different effect. You can adjust until it feels just right. When you're happy with the animation, save or download your design in a video or animated format, depending on your needs. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully animated an image in Canva,